Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our literacy class. We are going to have so much fun today. Are you ready? Can you call Boo Bear and Gary to say hello? Let me hear you say hello. Say hello, Boo Bear, Gary, come. Boo Bear, Gary. Hello, guys. Yes, Boo Bear, I'm also excited about today's lesson. Who's helping today? Is it Gary? Not. Is Boo Bear helping? Great. Guys, are you ready to sing our hello song with B for Boo Bear and G for Gary? Let's sing hello. Ha is for hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, hello. Wave hello to your left and wave hello to your right. Hello, hello. We all say hello. Weni, Kunjani, Dumela. Hoe gaan dit? Goeiedag. Salbona. So, hoe gaan dit means, how are you? Are you guys well? Did you have a good day yesterday? We did. Are you ready for today's lesson? What are you doing? Okay, so Gary is saying he's going to listen to our lesson today because he can't wait to find out what it is about. Say, bye, Gary. Right, Boo Bear, do you know what day is today? So yesterday was Wednesday, so today has to be, that's right, it's Thursday, the 21st of May, and it's still autumn. So you will see my scarf has got grey and white and black colors today, and it is ready for autumn. Okay, Boo Bear also has a nice brown colors, just like our autumn colors on the screen. Did you go see if the leaves are falling off your trees? So today we are doing animal food and shelters for our farm animals. So what does that mean? It means that we are looking at where they sleep and stay and what they eat. Do you know what all our animals eat? Right, so do you know where farm animals sleep? Do you know what that is called? Yes, Boo Bear, that's a barn. It's a big red barn. B for barn. So on a farm, you can have a place, a big sort of wooden house, or sometimes it's even made of zinc or steel, where our animals stay. They can stay inside, and sometimes, like in our picture, there is an outside area next to it, and there's normally hay and straw and all kinds of food inside it. So what animals do you think stay in our barn? Can you see a few hints on the screen? Yes, Boo Bear, I also see a K for cow, and I see sheep, and I see a piggy hiding over there. So we have a cow, we have a pig, and we have sheep. Do you think they can all stay in a barn? That's right, they can. Can you make the sounds of those three animals? Let's try. Can you go moo. Can you make a cow sound? Can you go moo? What about a pig? You guys should know what a pig sounds like now. Can you go? Or a sheep? Meh, meh. Well done, everyone. How many animals is in our picture? Can you count them? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. That's right. We have 3 animals in our picture. The cow, the pig, and the sheep. Well done, guys. What about a dog? Do you know where dogs sleep? Wow. Could it be a kennel? K for kennel. Okay. So kennels can be big or they can be small. It's like a dog house. Do you guys have a dog house where your doggies or puppies sleep? Okay. Is it just a dog in our picture? Which animals do you see by our kennel? Yes, Boo Bear, I also see something on the roof. Guys, is there something on the roof of the kennel? What is it? That's right. I can see a dog and I can see a cat. K for cat and D for dog. So how many animals are in our picture? A dog and a cat. That means we have 2 animals in our picture. Well done, guys. Can you make the sound of our 2 animals? Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof, woof. Can you woof? Can you bark? Woof, woof, woof. Or oh, 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 oh. Can you meow for meow like a kitty cat? Can you go meow, meow, and lick your paw? Meow. So our cat meows and our dog barks. What about cows, pigs, and horses and goats? They were sleeping in a barn, but can they sleep outside? Yes, they can. They can sleep in a pen. Wow. So outside, fences with maybe some roofs, we call a pen. So we have sheep in our picture and we have a pig in our picture, and they are all sleeping outside in a pen. P for pen. Can you guys help us? Boo Bear, can you help me see how many sheep is in our pen? Do you want to help me count? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many sheep do we have? That's right, Boo Bear. We have 6 sheep. Don't you like that little 6 men or man? Right. How many animals do you see on our screen? Do we have another animal besides our sheep? Which one is it, Boo Bear? Yes, we have 1 piggy. So that means if we have 6 sheep and we add 1 pig, how many animals do we have? Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. I see 7 animals on the screen. Just like, what else have we learned that has 7? Could it be 7 days of the week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. So, fun fact, everyone. What is on our screen? Could it be a G for goat? That's right. So, fun facts about goats. Goats were one of the first to be tamed by humans. So what does that mean? That means goats were wild animals and then they were made to be friendly, tamed to be farm animals with humans, okay? They were herded, so that means they were looked after, okay, by humans about 9,000 years ago. Wow. Guys, that is a long time ago. So goats were wild animals like our rhinos and our elephant, and then they became tame and they are now our farm animals. Goat meat is the most consumed meat in the world. That means we can eat goats, okay? So humans also eat goat meat. Oh, wow. And goats can be taught their name and they can come when you call them. So you know when your doggy has a name? So my dog, remember, his name is Marley. So when I say Marley, Marley comes to me. So I can also name my goat and say, come here, goat, come, goat. And my goat will come to me. So goats can learn their names and they were wild ones and a lot of people in the world eat them, but they also make milk like cows. That means that we also get to drink goat's milk and we can make yummy cheese from goat's milk. Have you ever had goat's milk or goat's cheese? Yum. So, let's find out where chickens sleep. Guys, do you know where chickens sleep? How interesting is that? So, chickens can stay in a hen house. That's right, Bube. H for hen. Remember, that is our female, our mommy chicken, in a H for house. Okay, so this is our hen house where our hens stay and lay all the yummy eggs. Okay, so H for hen. Which animal do you see in our hen house, guys? Is that our hen or our chicken? Yes, there are hens in there. How many hens do we see in the hen house? Can you help me and Bube count them? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 hens in our hen house. Well done. Can you cluck like a hen? Can you go? And what sound does our baby hens make or our baby chickens make? Our chicks. Can you go? Cheep, 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 cheep. Can you remember what our rooster, our daddy chickens make? Can you go? Can you crow? That's right. Go cook-cool-doodle-doo. But our hens, k for cluck. So, that's right. So, fun fact, a hen house, and look, that's a real one. How pretty is that? You can see all the chickens at the bottom, and there's some vegetables on the top, and it looks like they can climb all the way inside, and they are protected like this from other animals, okay? So we could also call a hen house a chicken coop because there's not always just hens in our chicken cages or chicken homes. It could be our roosters and our baby chicks and our hens all together. Then we call it a chicken coop. Ka for coop. Wow, did you know that? I think I would like a house like that for chickens, don't you think? So, guys, what does our animals eat? Okay, so we have learned about lots of farm animals, but what do they eat? How do we take care of our farm animals? Do you know? So we get feed, and feed is made out of a whole bunch of stuff. It can be seeds or grass or hay or vegetables and all kinds of nutrients. So there's hay, there is also other forms of seeds and feed. Then we've got vegetables, and we've got milk and bones, and of course grass. Remember, we also have our farm animals live in grass areas, okay? Big open grass areas. Okay, so can you help me match the food with the animals? Let's try. So in this picture, we've got our feed and our grass and our hay, which is dry grass, okay? So then we have a bone and we have vegetables. What vegetables are those? Do you know? I can see a carrot and a pepper, a red pepper, and a zucchini, or it could even be a cucumber. Okay, so we are going to have a yellow box, a green box, and a blue box. Let's get all our animals together, and can we add them to the boxes? Booby, can you help me add the right animals to the right food? Good. Let's go, guys. So, let's see. A doggy. What do you think will a dog eat? Yes, bones. That's right. Doggies like to chew on bones. They're not always good for them, but doggies like bones. What about our cow? I think our cow eats feed and grass and hay. Do you think they do? But did you know that cows also eat vegetables? How cool is that? They will also eat vegetables. Then we've got our lamb that also eats grass and feed and hay. Do you think our lamb will eat a bone? What about vegetables? Do you think lambs will eat vegetables? Yes, they do. So our animals can eat many things. What about chickens? What do you think chickens eat? Yes, that's right. They also will eat little worms and grass and seeds and feed. But do you think they'll eat vegetables? What do you think, Boo Bear? Yes, they will. Chickens, if you put vegetables down, will pick at the vegetables and eat little bits of them. Do you eat vegetables? You should. It's good for you. Okay, goats. Where do you think goats will? Does goats eat bones? I don't think so. Yes, I think they will eat grass and feed and vegetables. And goats are very naughty animals. They will come and eat your clothes and all kinds of funny stuff. So watch out for those naughty goats. What about a horsey? What do you think a horsey will eat? Do you think horses will eat vegetables? I think so. But I also think our horsies will also eat grass and feed and hay. But will they eat bones? What about piggies? What do you think pigs or piglets will eat? No. Booby, do you say they will eat anything? Well, I think you might be right. Pigs also eat bones and feed and grass and hay and vegetables. Pigs will eat anything you give them, okay? Because remember, they're big snouts, they're big noses, and they just like all kinds of food. So piggies will pig out on lots and lots and lots of food. Wow, guys, that is such a busy picture. Let's quickly revise. So, fact, farm animals can eat more than one thing. So at the top, we'll see that they can eat hay and grass and feed, but the same animals can also eat vegetables, and then pigs and dogs will also eat bones. Do you think that dogs will also eat vegetables? Mine sure does. Depends on which ones. Right. Yesterday we did Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Do you guys want to sing it again? Yes. Let's go. Are you ready? Why don't you try and do the song again at home, but this time add more animals? Which ones can you add? Well, you can add a rooster, you can add a horse, you can add a goat, you can add a donkey. What other farm animals do we have? Can you add chicks? Can you add, what else can you think of? Will you go find more farm animals for us to add to our Old MacDonald song? Right, so your turn. What are we going to do at home? We are going to find more farm animals for our song, but What farm animals have you also seen in real life? And can you draw them? So are there other animals on the farm that we have not done? Like ducks and geese. I think so. Revise your song. So we've done Mary Had a Little Lamb, we've had Baba Black Sheep, and we've had Old MacDonald. And then can you draw the animals in their homes? So can you go draw a chicken coop or hen house? Maybe add some eggs. Can you go draw a barn or a pen for us, or a field full of cows? That's what we can do for today's work at home. But I also have a worksheet. I have a doggy that we need to find his bowl of food with a bone. I also have a can you match the animals, and can you match our wild animals and farm animals and one or two others to their homes. Let's see. And if you want to send them to me, you can. So, play is our brain's favorite way of learning. So, guys, play board games. Ask mom and dad to read a book. Play with toys. Build some blocks. Do anything. Clay, painting. Make things out of newspaper. Make your own toys, or just play with one another and have fun, because play is our brain's favorite way of learning. I will see you tomorrow with Boo Bear and Gary, Friday the 22nd of May at 10. Moms and Dad, those are the things that we want to learn. We want to learn about letters and finger painting, and we want to read books and tell stories. We also want to describe things and hear sounds. And don't forget, we want to learn how to write our names, okay? We don't have to really learn how to write right now, but we can draw and make shapes. Right. So what did we do in class today? We learned all about food and shelter for our farm animals. We did sounds and we sang some songs. We matched things together. We counted to 7 and we said hello and did the dates and season. So, are you guys ready after a busy lesson to say goodbye? We are. Do you want to sing goodbye with Gary? Can you say, Gary? Hi, Gary. What's that? Oh, wow. Do you say that you also eat grass? Oh, what else do you eat, Gary? Oh, do you also eat feed and hay? Gary says he also lives in the wild, but sometimes he also lives in a pen when he is on a farm. Wow, Gary, that's amazing. Right, are you guys ready to say goodbye? Goodbye, goodbye. We had some fun. We had some fun today. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Now let's go and play. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.